Is your website secretly pushing away potential customers? Here's a shocking statistic. Over 80% of parents are searching for kids' activities on their phones, but most gymnastics websites are practically invisible to them. After helping hundreds of gymnastics clubs, swim schools, and dance studios across the United States, we have discovered that most gym owners are making the same critical mistakes that are costing them enrollments every single day. But here's the good news. These mistakes are incredibly easy to fix. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 quick website optimizations that can instantly boost your enrollment numbers. These are not complicated tech changes. These are simple tweaks that anybody can make in just a few hours. But before we dive in, let me share a quick story. Last month, one of our clients was really struggling to fill their classes. Their programs were excellent. Their facility was beautiful, but the parents were just not signing up. After implementing just 3 of the changes I'm going to show you, their trial class bookings doubled in 2 weeks. And the best part, these changes took less than an hour to make. Let's dive into 10 website optimizations that will truly transform your enrollment numbers. First, contact information placement. Let's talk about something that seems obvious, but is surprisingly often overlooked. Your contact information is your phone number, your address, and your sign-up options. Are they front and center on your universal header? This isn't just about convenience. It's about capturing those split-second decisions parents make. When a mom is searching for a gymnastics class for their kids while in the school pickup line, she shouldn't have to be hunting for your phone number. Make it clickable on mobile. Remember, over 80% of traffic is coming from their phones. Second, clear call to action buttons. Every single class page on your site should have an eye-catching register now or book a trial class type button at the very top. Think about it. When a parent visits your site, they're already interested. Don't make them search for how to take action. Make these buttons stand out with contrasting colors and clear, concise call to action oriented text. Third, eye-catching hero section. Your website hero section, that is the first thing visitors see when they go to your website, needs to grab their attention immediately. This isn't about having a pretty picture, it's about clear communication. Your headline should instantly tell parents what you offer and who it is for. Something like gymnastics, tumbling, and ninja classes for ages 3 and up, followed by a strong action statement like sign up for a free trial class. If you don't have a hero image, you can easily create one in Canva with dimensions of 1600 by 500. Fourth, visitor tracking. Here is where many gymnastics clubs drop the ball. They are not tracking their website visitors. Installing Google Analytics or the Meta Pixel is crucial. Without these tools, you are flying blind. You need to know how many people visited your site, what pages they looked at, and where they dropped off. This data is gold for optimizing your site and marketing strategies. Fifth, high quality images. Your images tell a story about your facility and your programs. Blurry, low quality pictures send the wrong message about your professionalism. Every image on your site should be clear, well lit, and showcase your facility at its best. Remember, parents are making split-second judgments about where to send their children. Sixth, your email newsletter sign up. This is a golden opportunity to capture information from visitors who aren't ready to enroll right away. Make your newsletter sign up form prominent and compelling. Use a hook like unlock your free trial class, sign up for a newsletter with access to exclusive offers and updates. This isn't just about growing your email list, it's about the ability to nurture those leads who are just not quite ready to enroll yet. Seventh, your customer reviews. Did you know that 80% of parents check reviews before choosing an activity for their kids? You need to showcase your customer reviews prominently. Most website platforms offer review widgets that can automatically display your Google My Business or Facebook reviews. This social proof is incredibly powerful in building trust with potential customers. Eighth, your contact form and location map. Beyond your phone number, include an easy-to-find contact form and a map linking directly to Google Maps. Make it effortless for parents to get in touch and find your location. Remember, every extra moment or click of confusion is an opportunity for them to leave your site. Ninth, thank you page strategy. Here's a subtle but powerful optimization. Create a proper thank you page for your contact form submissions. This isn't about just being polite, it's about setting expectations. Tell parents exactly what's going to happen next, like we'll call you within 24 hours, schedule your free trial class. This professional touch builds confidence in your business. Finally, the 10th, mobile optimization. Though this might be the last thing on our list, it is arguably the most important. With over 80% of traffic coming from mobile devices, your site absolutely must work perfectly on phones. Google even ranks sites based on mobile compatibility. Test every single page and function on multiple devices. If your site is not mobile friendly, you're literally turning away a majority of your potential customers. Here is a real example of how these optimizations all work together. One of our clients had a beautiful website, but their contact form was buried down at the bottom of the contact page. We moved it to the top of every program page with a clear "Book your free trial" heading. Just this one change increased their trial class bookings by 40% in the first month. Remember, these optimizations work best when implemented together. They create a seamless experience that makes it easy for parents to take action. Think of your website as your digital front desk. It needs to be just as welcoming and efficient as your best staff member. These 10 website optimizations might seem simple, but they can dramatically impact your enrollment numbers. Remember, make your contact form easily accessible. Use clear, compelling call to actions. Ensure your site works perfectly on mobile. Build trust with reviews and quality images. Track and optimize your results. But here's the thing, having a great website is just the first step. You need to know how to drive the right traffic into it. In my next video, I'll be showing you exactly how to get more qualified parents visiting your website with our proven marketing system. Click the video on the screen now to learn more. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on growing your gymnastics club, your swim school, or your dance studio. See you in the next one.